Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we were in this Trailhead module, which was Salesforce Platform Basics, and today we will look at Powered Up with AppExchange unit. So let's get started. In this unit, you will learn about how to develop your own AppExchange strategy and install an app from AppExchange. So, what is AppExchange? You are probably comfortable with the idea of app stores, whether you are downloading apps on your phone, tablet, computer, or other device. You have to download and install apps to make the most of your technology. Salesforce is same way. Earlier, we mentioned the enterprise ecosystem. Salesforce has a community of partners that use the flexibility of Salesforce platform to build amazing apps and other solutions that anyone can use. These offerings are available same for free, some for free, some at a cost for installation on AppExchange. Okay, so there are various apps that are built on Salesforce that others can use it. So, strategies for success. D'Angelo Dreamhouse app is raging success among the company real estate brokers. But if we are being realistic, D'Angelo is only one person. There are only so many hours in the day for him to develop new apps for his colleagues. Luckily, AppExchange is a full of apps D'Angelo can download to help Dreamhouse manage everything from payroll to travel approval to integration with other tools like Evernote and MailChimp. The possibilities of AppExchange offers are exciting, but before you start downloading every app inside, you need to develop a strategy. A solid AppExchange strategy helps ensure that you are getting the highest value apps without duplicating functionality or investing in something that you don't need. Follow these steps to develop a good app exchange strategy. First is identify departments that use or plan to use Salesforce. These are your primary stakeholders. Second, research what's available on App Exchange that best meets your stakeholder requirements. Discuss business cases with department heads to determine exact needs. Here are some good questions to ask. What business problems are you trying to solve? What are your main uh, pain points right now? How many users need this app? What's your budget? What's your timeline? These questions help you to identify apps that are the best fit for each department or business case. When you find an app that you think meets your needs, download the app in a test environment like a free developer edition or sandbox. Ensure that the app you are installing doesn't interfere with any other apps you have installed or customizations you have made. Sandbox are copies of your organization in a separate environment. They are used for development and testing. See the sandbox types and templates and documents. You can see it here. If you're choosing between multiple apps, then take some time to evaluate what you have tested, determine whether there are feature gaps or unwanted functionality. If necessary, invite your stakeholders to demo the apps and provide feedback. You are ready to go, you will install and deploy your app in your production environment. Make sure you keep your users in the loop about what's changing and provide training and documentation as necessary. Install your first app. While AppExchange resembles a traditional app store like you can find on your phone or tablet, it's important to remember that your Salesforce org is complicated environment. You can't just install an app because it has a cool logo or a convincing catchphrase. So what's the right way to install an app? We will show you. This is just an example. No need to follow along. Let's say you find this great app on AppExchange that lets you send SMS messages within marketing cloud engagement automations. Okay. Let's say you find this app uh, that lets you send SMS messages automation. Okay, so to install the app, you would click Get It Now. See here, this is the button Get It Now. You can click it here. This button takes you to the installation wizard that guides you through the steps. But first, here are three key questions you need to answer before you install the app. Are there any notes or requirements included on the app listing that I need to consider before installing this app? For example, this SMS app contains a note that says, Note, you must own digital engagement and have messaging enabled before you can install this package. So make sure you have met all the requirements before you install the app. Where do I install the app? This is the second question. Where do I install the app, production or sandbox? In general, it's the best practice to install apps in non-production environment. Try installing a sandbox for your production or in developer edition or testing the app first helps you avoid conflicts in production with things like object names. Should I give app permission to admins only, all users, or specific profiles? That depends on who the app is for. If you want to limit access to a particular set of users, plan to modify those user profiles before you install the app. Where did my app go? Awesome. So that's how you would install an app. Now, if you only could find it, here is how you find apps after you have installed them. Apps are installed using something called package. Remember when you install the Dreamhouse app? To find the package from setup, search and select installed packages in the quick find box. Click the name of the package you installed. It will be the same name from the AppExchange download page. Okay, so you can go to setup and setup search and select installed packages in quick find box. Then you can see the packages you have installed. Click view components to see more information about the package. The package details page show you all the components including custom fields, custom objects, and Apex classes in the package. This information helps you to determine whether you have any conflicts in your own customizations. Some final thoughts. As you start to explore AppExchange, be sure to check out free apps provided by Salesforce Lab. The great thing about Salesforce Lab apps, other than that they are free, is that they are open source. You can customize them as needed and peek under the hood to see how they work. It's a great way to learn more about how the platform works. Speaking of learning more, this module has given you a great foundation for diving deeper into the Salesforce platform. Check out the resources below for some potential next steps in your journey. Happy trails. So basically, we came across App Exchange. It told you how you can uh, download it by using App Exchange, the apps that you need in your Salesforce org. There are some key things that you need to ask yourself, that what will be the budget, what will be the requirement, why are you installing everything like that. So make sure you have well planned strategy about this app exchange, and then this is how you can install it. Okay, you can get it here, get it now. Click on here, and you can check that. Also, once you have got it, you can find it in install packages by searching install packages in quick find box in setup. Okay, then you can view all the components in that package. So this will help you to not have any conflict between your object or your own customizations. So that's it in this unit. Let's go to quiz section. So the first question is, when you are getting started with App Exchange, what is the best practice? Install apps of interest right away? No. Request the top three apps from each department? No. Develop a plan including budget, timing, and key department users. Yes, this is correct. Second question, when you want to find an app after you install it, what should you type in quick find box in setup? Installed apps? No. Installed packages, correct. So let's check. Yes. So this comes to an end of this Salesforce platform basics. Now, in next video, we will look into the next module, and our next module is going to be platform development basics. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.